don't fancy a massive one, thank you very much. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And as I was doing a little bit of kind of shopping and stuff like that the other day, I came across something that I feel is going to be, I want to say a simple, well, is it a simple? I feel like it's going to be a similar thing as a dollhouse, but a flat dollhouse, if that makes sense.
No.
It's a very weird thing, but it looks super cute, and I think it's going to be super easy. And it's these things. So these are basically 3D stickers. You get a bunch of different scenes, so like a coffee shop, a restaurant, etc. You're building an image up on a flat thing, but it's all about perspective, and then you put the stickers down and it kind of makes this 3D image. Looks really fun. I feel like it's going to be kind of similar to a dollhouse, but just not as complicated as a dollhouse.
Thank God for that!
And I'm quite excited to try it. These were very cheap too, so if they end up being a bit shitty, not too arsed. Right, let's get these up and see what they're like. I can't actually remember which one I've bought or whether there are multiple scenes in this pack, but there were only a few quid.
This is basically free!
Oh, so I think I've bought a few. So we've got a local home party, so like a little home decoration thing. That's the first sheet of them stickers. So that's obviously like an interior kind of bedroom space or something. This one is a grocery store. How cute. They're very detailed as well. They look lovely. What's this one? Oh, this is a laundrette. So we've got washing machines and countertops and all sorts, and then they do have these cute little characters as well. And then this one is a bakery, and again you've got like little cakes and stuff and the little characters there. I don't know which one I want to do. I think the grocery shop would be quite fun. We'll do that one, see how we get on, and then I might do another one if I get really excited about them, because I am unsure of how long these will actually take to make. I feel like they're going to be quite quick. I don't think it's going to be really time consuming, but you can just never tell, can you? Right, so in this one we've got that sheet. So we've got the little characters there. This is what I was talking about. So this is where you add all this kind of stickers, and if you look at it, it's got that 3D element, doesn't it, because of the perspective, but if you look at it, it's literally just obviously a flat bit of paper. I feel like when you do something like that, basically, you know, when you draw a cube and you kind of make the lines go like that, I feel like there's a special word and it's not coming to us. I feel like it is perspective. Is it perspective drawn? I don't know. I'm sure someone's letting us know in the comments as I speak. Oh, actually, it doesn't have a lot in here. It's only got one sheet of stickers and then some little characters, and that's it really. These shouldn't take too long to make at all. I might get another one done. And I suppose the fun thing about this is obviously if you look at the picture, you can make it in different ways. So you could follow that, or you could do something completely different if you wanted to. I think I'm gonna follow the picture, because if I don't, I might end up making a complete mess of it. It literally doesn't have any instructions, you just have to kind of figure it out for yourself.
Oh dear.
But you're going to want to build this up in layers, aren't you? So you want to start with this back section. So we'll take this little counter off, it looks like some vegetables.
I hate salad.
I want to try and get it to the corners of there. So easy to do. I don't know why I was expecting it not to be, but it's very easy. These look fab. I wonder who designed these. And then you can put the little logo on the top here. I stuck that a little bit wrong. That's okay, I'll fix it. So there, I've already stuck something down, and you can start to see that 3D picture coming to life. I think this is a clever idea. I don't know whether anyone else does. I think it's simple but effective, and I really appreciate it. So we're just gonna go for the other ones now. Oh, I've just thought, I bet that needed to go underneath there, didn't it? Because otherwise it's going to go over the top. I didn't think about this. Why did I start at the top end? I should have started at the very corner. Hang on, I'm just going to see if I can peel this up. I'm making mistakes already. I was just going on about how easy it is. I'll stick this corner one down first. I think it's very important to get all the bits to match up. And then because I've made a mistake with this, I'm going to see if I can peel this one up. I'm such an idiot. Okay, that did peel up. It looks a bit rough, but that's my own fault. If you're going to do this, start in the very, very corner and build out. Don't start at the ends. That doesn't make sense at all. I think it would be nice if it had some instructions just to kind of guide you a little bit. Just for someone like me anyway. I don't think an average person would need any instructions. Also, what I'm finding with this is there's not a lot of leeway. They're very tightly packed into this like little section, so you have very little wiggle room. So if you do stick something wrong, you know about it. Right, so there's the back bit done. And even though I made a mistake there, I feel like I definitely fixed it. But I think they're super detailed, aren't they? In this corner, there's like little cute bottles. I think they're bottles. This is why I feel like it's giving like dollhouse vibes. But obviously it's not as complicated and pissy on as a dollhouse. Right, so this is where it gets tricky because there's people at the back. I feel a lot of pressure to get this right, and it's stressing us out just slightly. This person's looking at some products there, and then there's someone with a shopping cart there over here. So I want to put these down first because I'm going to be adding some shelves in the middle. So I want these red little packs on this side, and then the little yellow ones on this side. Oh, these are ridiculously cute. They really are. And then some, what are these, like fish food or something? Oh no, it's not. It's like, I don't know, some little bags of something. It has got some text on it, but it's in Japanese. I think it's in Japanese anyway. And it's very tiny, so I can't really tell what it says. And then we've got a child and a parent. I don't know what these are. Are they mice? I'm assuming these are like little mice characters, and you've got little tiny ones, and obviously they face in different directions, and they've got the little trolleys. I don't consider myself like a cutesy person, but stuff like this, for some reason it just gets us. I think something like this as well, just a very relaxing activity. I know you'll probably obviously pull your hair out if you stick a sticker in the wrong place, but other than that, it's very relaxing. There are some little tiny parts, mind. So this one has a ball, and the ball is essentially non-existent. It's the smallest little thing ever. I don't even know how I'm going to stick you on. Oh well, stuck that in the wrong place, but that's fine. It's going to have to be there. And then we've got some little stairs because there's a shop worker filling the shelves. I've stuck them stairs on the wrong angle. It's ruined the illusion, and you know when something pisses you off because you know it's just like slightly off? It's slightly off, but there's no going back now. Hopefully I can hide it with this little cashier person. Oh, actually I might be able to get away with it. And then you can be greeting all your guests with a very smiley face. Gorgeous. Then there's a little person with a carrot. Or maybe they're little rabbits actually. Maybe they're not mice, maybe they're rabbits. I have no idea. But this one's got a carrot in its hand and it's shopping for some veg. And there's a green grocery bag just on the floor. I think if a perfectionist got their hands on this, it could potentially drive them insane. If you get something just a little bit off, it kind of vexes you a little bit. And it's very easy to get something slightly off. So I think those people who literally strive for perfection, I don't know whether this is something for yous. And then finally, it's just a little welcome mat. I wouldn't care though, the welcome mat and the cashier bit and the fresh market. Actually, it's a mix. There's some stuff in English and some stuff in what I'm assuming is Japanese. I've just realised. So I was like, I can read that. It says welcome. Ah, there's a lot of people in this supermarket. Oh, you're coming through the entrance. Okay. With your little reusable bag. We like that. Sustainability. And then like another little gate. Ah, that was stuck wonky. I can't have that. I feel like I need thinner fingers. And I feel like my fingers are quite thin to begin with. I can't see past them. Then where did all these go? Oh, that basket goes on top of this shelf. So that goes up here. I have no idea where this goes. It's just given us some extra stickers. I've got 2 little balls and a random assortment of products. Do I just stick them anywhere? Oh wait, I am missing something. They go on the cash register. They go here. That was quite confusing. That was tricky, wasn't it? And that's it done. I feel like I needed not a telescope, a magnifying glass, and either like little dainty tweezers or just something to help us out a little bit. But there we go, there's my cute little supermarket and all the little characters doing their shopping and socialising and working hard. I think it's absolutely adorable. I have stuck a few of these things really in the wrong place and it does drive us mad a little bit. I think what would make these even better, and I don't know whether they actually do them, is if they had like giant ones. Actually they would get really complicated if you have like a massive one and you're having to figure out all the layers of the stickers. I think I would need step-by-step instructions if it was any bigger than this. And anyway, since I've got these other 3, I think I'll make another one.
Not another one?
You know what, I fancy the laundrette. I think the laundrette looks well fun. So I'll just speed through this one and hopefully I won't make as many mistakes as I did with this one. I feel like I won't now. I've had a bit of practice, so I understand it a little bit better. Okay, so I've finished with my little laundrette. By the way, this is a ridiculously fancy laundrette. Because if we look on here, they've got like fabric for sale and stuff. And like a sewing machine and all sorts. Like I've never ever been in a laundromat that looks like that at all. They always look pretty run down. And another thing that was disappointing with this one, mind, is 2 of the stickers. I don't know whether you'll be able to see, but the basket and one of the laundry bags. The stickers were actually ripped in half. So it was a little bit difficult to actually get them together. But I still think these are a proper clever little idea. And I don't know whether you could possibly like collage them and build them up or something. I don't really know what you do with them. It's a fun little activity, but Once it's done, it's done. I suppose you could like display them if you wanted to.
No.
I don't know whether you would want to display these, but they're a nice little time waster. I tell you what these would be good for, because I always like to think practically about things. Say you were flying somewhere and either you wanted to keep yourself a little bit occupied or your kids a little bit occupied. I think doing one of these, that would be kind of good, wouldn't it?
No!
But anyway, that just about does it for today's video of testing out little 3D sticker scenes. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let me know if you'll be getting any of these. I reckon they would do a larger version, you know. I think a larger version would be almost impossible. I think it would be really difficult to do. And I think if they do a larger version, I don't want that anywhere near us. Don't mind your little tiny cute ones, but don't fancy a massive one. Thank you very much. Never said that before. Why do I always turn to filth?
You dirty slut.
Anyway, I'll see you next week for a brand new video. I don't mean to turn things filthy. They literally just come out my mouth. I don't know what's wrong with us. Everything is wrong with us. Also, do you like my new cut? It's cute, isn't it? It's orange, obviously. It's nice though. I was at the shops and it was on sale and I was like, ooh, I like that. It's shiny. And it drew my attention. I'm like a magpie, so obviously I bought it.